Need to pass the Illinois power test? You found the right video. Hello, I'm Sergeant George Godoy, and today we'll cover everything you need to know about the power test, the Peace Officer Wellness Evaluation Report. The power test is the mandatory physical fitness assessment required by the Illinois Law Enforcement Training and Standards Board, also known as the ILETSB. If you want to attend any police academy in the state of Illinois, you must pass this test, no exceptions. The power test is norm-based, meaning you must score better than the 40th percentile of the national population compared to people in your same gender and age group. In this video, I will quote the male passing scores. Visit policetest.info/Illinois-power-test to see the passing scores for females. The test has 4 components. First, the sit and reach. This measures your lower back and hamstring flexibility. You'll sit with your legs extended and reach forward along a yardstick. For men in their 20s, the passing mark is 14.4 inches, dropping to 10.5 inches for those in their 50s. Second, the 1-minute sit-up test. This evaluates your abdominal endurance. You'll perform as many proper sit-ups as possible in 60 seconds, with fingers interlocked behind your head and elbows touching your knees at the top. A male candidate in their 20s must complete at least 33 sit-ups, while someone in their 50s needs 19. Third, the 1-rep maximum bench press. This tests your upper body strength. The weight you must lift is calculated as a ratio of your body weight. For example, a 25-year-old male weighing 200 pounds must press 176 pounds. Many testing centers, like NIPSTA, use a machine bench rather than a free weight bench, so train on both. Fourth, the 1.5-mile run. This is your aerobic endurance test and is typically the final event. Men in their 20s must complete it in under 14 minutes, with time limits extending to 16 minutes and 58 seconds for those in their 50s. A few expert tips to avoid failure. Master your form. Many candidates fail not because they lack fitness, but because of improper technique. On sit-ups, you may only rest in the up position. Train your cardio early. Building a solid base can take more than a month, so start at least 12 weeks out with a mix of walking, running, and sprinting intervals. And if your testing center uses a machine bench, make sure you practice on one. It feels different from a standard free weight bench. And remember, the power test is just one part of the Illinois law enforcement hiring process. Many candidates focus so much on the run that they overlook the written exam or the oral board. Don't let poor preparation cost you your law enforcement career. Get the top-rated police exam 911 prep course created personally by me. With over 1,000 5-star reviews, this is the leading police prep course on the market. It includes video tutorials on every test topic, hundreds of practice questions, and lifetime access, plus bonus tips for your job search. Click the link to get started. There's also a link in the description and in the comments